Lavandleni. Lavandleni, mfana kagama lo. Welcome to Mozart Music, the platform where we break down music to the core. Break down the track, get the message behind the song. Always give positive feedback, we inspire us. Basically, please no tricks and content. Wait. Ooh. Guys, I'm on medication. Sonjay. Hey. Oh, Nkolela. If I start getting drowsy and stuff, I'm on medication, yo. I don't like being sick. I don't like medication. I just don't. I'm just not a fan. What is up, bro? So we are here. We are back with another one. As I'm currently recording this, we are sitting on 603 subscribers. It has been a crazy journey, man. It has been an amazing journey. Got us last corner again. So I hope everybody's ready. We're about to get into it. So today we are reacting to Inyoni Namapiga Stupa Shogoma Jehovah or Yehovah. No? Could be two pronunciations, so without wasting you guys' time. Let's do me. Nani Nyoni, in fact, we just arrived. How y'all go so deep so quick? Like y'all just like 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 can you just chill, man? Like damn. Woo! And then you finna told me you've heard people sing in the higher bass better than Zion. You lying, bro. Nah, you lying, bro. Nah, man. That's the bass as Zion. Have you heard? Bro, them people. Them people sing like their life depended on it, bro. Mm, 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 mm. This lady, I think her name is Label, bro. I'm chilling. I think one of my videos that are going nuts on TikTok, right? Chilling, bro. I'm chilling. I go on TikTok right now. A bunch of people are following me. So sometimes I do miss people. Like Toguti, it's a bunch of people following me on TikTok. So sometimes I would miss out, and then maybe months later, and then I will stumble across your profile on TikTok. And be like, oh, this person follows me. Then I'll follow back, right? Maraman Baning, it's hard to see. So I I think she was like number 3 from the top. So I click on her profile. This is chick from Millionaires too. I'm like, she follows me. I'm like, hey, I'm a big dog, eh? Getting big now. I'm trying to follow back and Bana. Telling me one up and then go like, now I know someone from in you. I'm like, okay, now when in my head, I'm like, I am going to be up to date. Gary, I am going to be up to date with a lot of things, with a lot of stuff, and finally, I will get good pictures as a new. I don't know, but all I'm saying is, guys, it's hard finding your pictures on Google. It's difficult. Yo, who be, man? So I text people from your churches and be like, bruh, I need photos. I need group pictures. Just send it there. Because I am showing you Google. Anyway, she follows me, and it's a blessing, right? It's an honor. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's crazy. I was just lost a move. Long hey, into ephuma la. Exactly, cameraman. Exactly, cameraman. I am not the only one who's crying. See too. Who's begging? Learn ngokufutha mfana forget forget boy forget. Alamos ubona uMr. Fires lapha masino ukuthi siyabuya. Almost every video ngibona yasenyoni I always see his face. I'm like, it is about to go down. Bro, let me tell you something you never asked me. Nothing is bigger than Uzan. Go argue with yourself. To this chat the whole year, bro. The whole year. I have been rating to Union and Amapiga Super the whole damn year. These people live up to their name, bro. Union takes off. Them people, this was here. How man? How you lying? Man, this outside, hey now, timing yako very off. Damn. Damn. Yes. Post-production is crazy. I, guys, what is going on? Like, what is going on, bro? Like, kwenzakalani? How is this even humanly possible, bro? How is this even humanly possible, bro? Listen from this part. No, no, that's too far. Listen from this part, bro. Bro, none. I respect them. I respect them. Oh, that's what they're saying. Oh, that's what they're saying. Just wanted to be sure. Nah, nah, let's go to the sister in the house too. Whoa!
See, yeah.
So bathi hlokoma hlokoma Jehova, izizwe zilalele, khuluma moya oyingcwele, izizwe zilalele. I don't know what hlokoma means. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know. But basically saying that all the nations are listening, speak. It's up to you how you take what they're saying. Is this way, not just talking about just nation, talking about people in the nation. That's what makes a nation. So individually, so as they speak to you or as you have been spoken to, just because it's one man speaking to the masses, it's not only speaking to the masses, but the masses is made out of individuals. So individuals do hear. bruh, listen. Yaboninyoni will forever remind us why by Yinyo. Bro, these people, these people, oh my God, these people almost made me emotional, bruh. I've been in emotional wreck for like 3, 4 months now. And hey, yo, hey, I don't want to be crying again here, looking all weird and stuff. But nevertheless, bro, may God bless that church, bro. Honestly, may God bless Inyoni. No, those people, bro. Those people put their heart, and you can hear it, like you can feel it, bro. So, yo, make sure you follow me on all the platform, man. If you do have requests, do hit me up, text me, and be like, bro, no request, please do my level best to play so. Although sometimes it may take time because already Toguti, there is a structure that I already have, and then I'll put the request maybe in between or after, but I will. So, yo, in the favorite way of who? Mr. Chupita. Say, guys, adios.